Alright, it's Thanksgiving Day, November 22nd. Just gonna do a quick harvest. Got the last of the butternut squash in here. Just 2 left. Plant died from the cold. Oh, that's a big one. As you can see, some birds have already been enjoying these, so I think it's time to pick all of them. There's some holes in there. Yeah, that's birds. They're ripe. These half-eaten ones I'll put aside. I'll give it to the chicken, or you could just cut off the eaten part. Oh, look at that. It's a ladybug. I'm gonna go put it near the broccoli and the kale because there's aphids around here. Whoop, it fell. Alright, it's in there. I already picked my habaneros. I took the plant out of that bed right there. Prepping that bed for the next planting, which is garlic and onions. And I'm gonna pick the rest of the stuff around these pots because these are gonna freeze soon. Cold weather's really coming. These are very mild jalapenos. But, I'm just gonna pick these peppers. It's another habanero plant, not as productive, but I'm gonna pick some of these too. I'm gonna cut up a couple of pomegranates. One for the kids and one for the salad for tomorrow's Thanksgiving dinner. So just wanted to show an easy way to cut it. So you take this end, the flower end, and you basically cut off the top. You just kind of score it like this. You never want to try to cut into it because you're gonna cut into the seeds or the pomegranate seeds, and you're gonna get juice everywhere. So basically you cut off the top and you pull this off, you pry it off, and then you see, once you have it off, you can sort of see the membrane, and then you just sort of cut along the membrane, just score along the membrane. I don't know if it matters if you score along the membrane or anywhere. Just kind of section it off as much as you can like this. Okay. It's kind of a big piece. I'm just gonna score in here too. And the basic concept is that once you do that, it becomes super easy to pry open. There you go. And you're not cutting into anything. So it's kind of like low mess. So you just want to be over a bowl. And when you're at this step, it's just super easy to just get all this stuff out. The kids love this stuff. out, watch out. Move, move, move.